can also make future indefinite sentences where you want to issue warning or give assurance. Sometimes you want to make predictions. So let's go over some of the examples. कल बारिश होगी, आज तूफान आएगा, अगले साल गर्मी पड़ेगी, यहाँ ठंड होगी, अगले साल गर्मी नहीं पड़ेगी. You can also make more sentences using the table that you see and the keyword that you see in front of you.